Hi everybody, the 17th Annual Tyler Breast Cancer Conference scheduled for this weekend. Jill Dickerson's here to tell us what folks can expect, what we can learn, and golly, an A-list of folks who are going to be there. Nice to have you with us, by the way.
Thank you.
This is the 17th year, and I was thinking about how far we've come in the treatment of this disease in just a short amount of time, and the medical leaps and bounds that we've taken. Are these some of the things we're going to learn about at this conference?
Yes, and the conference is an annual event, obviously, so we are continually learning and updating, and that's exactly what we'll do, is see what has come new with the research this past few years, and what's new this year, and then how we can apply that in our practice.
It's a two-day conference, Friday and Saturday, this weekend, as a matter of fact. But tell us about the days. What's happening Friday? That's where you'd like. There's strength in numbers. If you've been touched by this disease, that's the time to go, huh?
Absolutely. And Friday night is for the public. It's for the community. And there are three of the speakers that will be speaking on Saturday, also doing their presentation on Friday evening. And that is Dr. Vukelja, who organizes the event. She'll be talking about prevention and steps you can take to prevent cancer and to live a healthy lifestyle. Dr. Spector, Neill Spector, is a medical oncologist out of Duke's University Medical Center, and he will be presenting some excerpts from a new book, and he himself is a survivor of a heart transplant.
Oh my.
So he has an interesting insight into survivorship and thriving through difficult circumstances. And then Dr. Larrinaga, John Larrinaga from the Ross Breast Center, will be presenting information on dense breasts, and when patients have questions about mammography and or further testing, and he's got some great insight and research and data to present.
A lot of controversy, a lot of around mammograms lately, so this can put that to rest as well.
Exactly.
March 22nd, though, specifically for the people who battle this disease. Is that right?
That's right. That's for the providers. So that's continuing education, both CME and CNE. And if someone has not registered for that yet and is interested in the educational hours, they can register online at cmebaylor.org. or they can register at the door that morning.
What about on Friday night? Do folks who need to register as well?
No, Friday night is just show up. We'll have food, we'll have, there's lots of great giveaways and interesting information for them to pick up while they're there, but most of all, time with those speakers, question and answer opportunity for the patients.
And again, there's strength in numbers. You'll be around people who have been through this disease, who are survivors, who are going through it now, and boy, you can share your experiences and really get a lot of good energy from this. Jill, nice to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in.
Thanks for having me.